What a dull living room. How can I liven up the place? Oh wow! That looks amazing! Just in time for the holidays too! They call me the Asian Phenom because I'm the best at what I do, and that is to test new products to see if they are worth your hard-earned money. Unless you're rich like Elon Musk. Welcome back to the channel. It's a friendly neighborhood YouTuber with another exciting unboxing. Today we're going to take an exclusive look at the NEXillumi 100ft LED strip lights. Check out this 100ft LED strip lights from NEXillumi. It costs only $30. I think back around December 2020, that's when I purchased it. It was like $54, so you are definitely saving a bundle on this. So if you guys haven't been following the channel, I actually reviewed something similar to this. And I am super excited to review another one. This time I'll put it in my living room. And of course, you see I've updated my YouTube studio with these cool acoustic panels. Make sure you check out that review. Tell you the truth, I can't believe the price is dropped. Wow. This has plenty of good reviews on Amazon. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Some warranty, guarantee, sales support. Make sure you reach them out. Alright, so there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. And it looks like it comes with these tape. And also two of these. Just a lot of stuff in here. Alright, so inside the packaging you have thank you cards explaining about the extension cord, basically how to install it, key points installation. So if you are new to it, so here's a hint, a tip. You don't want to use it all in one row, extend it out in series. So what you want to do is like separate it so it connects to combine into one unit. All right, okay. And as you can see, they gave 2 extra rows of these double-sided tape, and here are 2 of the rows equating 50 feet each. So here are the connector points, 2 connector points at each, and of course it's powered by AC adapter. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of these rows. Don't worry, on the back has tape on there, and I've used it. I've had it up on my ceiling for over 1 year, a different brand, and it's still hanging. Nothing has been drooping or anything like that, so I trust these. Okay, so here's what one of the LED lights look like, RGB. Okay, so each of these light up. All right. Okay, so you have some extra, whole bunch of extra clips and connector points. I don't think I'm gonna be using this too much. Oh, screws too, mounting screws, everything you want. We're gonna bypass all that. Trust me, the tape is gonna be strong enough. But you have options right here. And let's go ahead and open this up. I believe this is the remote control. Yeah. So there's also the app function, and here's a user's guide too. A whole bunch of information here. Here's one of the main manual remote control, which is what I prefer. I don't like using app because downloading too many on the phone, you know, can take away the battery and memory. Different color control, dimming, timers, everything, music. And here is the infrared remote. You have the power, you have the mic, brightness, and also music. Okay, with 2 connectors. And of course, 2 of these clips to attach it. Let's go ahead and see how am I going to install this in my living room. Actually, before I do that, it's always good to check to make sure it's working, because you can end up installing it and if it doesn't working, you will have wasted all your time. So that's the way I connect it properly. Just line it up. Oh wow, okay, that one works right off the bat. Happy about that. And that one works. Let's go ahead and control that. Blue, yep. Whoops. Red. Okay, that looks good. See, connected it from the table all the way up to the ceiling. They've been holding up for well over a year. I'm very happy with them. Okay guys, so this is my living room. Here are my initial plans. I have 100 feet to work with. That's plenty of space. I think what I'm going to do is start out right there. That's a good place. Go along the ceiling where the wall meets the ceiling. Go along that path all the way over there. And of course you want to be close to an outlet. And there's an outlet right there. I think I'm going to stop right there. I think that's around like 40 feet right there, stops. So that's almost halfway. And then with the rest, I can go all the way along the dining room and stop about right there. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now that I know the path and my plan of action, so what I'm gonna do is, see how I have it connected? I'm gonna start probably right there, go up and loop it. Because when you run short, you don't want to cut, you don't want to start off at the end. You want to start where the connector is. That way you can always trim the end. And with the other loop, I think I'm going to follow the same path, go up. So it'll be two lines going up, and then I'm going to go left. All right, so let's start at the corner. Just peel back on this tape. Should be some strong adhesive. All right. Let's go around the corner. Like that. Okay, you guys get the idea? Alright, it's going very smoothly. Here's what I have so far. Here's how I looped around the ceiling. The adhesive is very strong. You want to be as close to the corner and the top as possible. And you want to be as even as possible. I have the whole row installed. Look at, I have plenty of room. That's why you plan accordingly. You don't want to be short. So I end it right there. I didn't do any cutting. You probably don't want to cut it anyway. All right, here's a moment of truth. Oh, I love it. Look at that. All right, let's finish out the second row. All right, I got the remaining one all hooked up. I'm super excited for the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and turn it on with the manual remote. Ah! Just in time for the holidays. Look at that. And of course, with the remote, you have so many different options to go. Whether it be auto, make sure you're pointing at that. See, change the colors. Manually select it. Or do quick blinking ones. Flashing. Okay, I've downloaded NEXillumi home app, connected the device. This is what it's called. All right, let's go ahead and switch to the app control. You power it on or off. I'm fairly far from the unit right there, about like 8 feet away. Okay, turn it back on, and you just see that's the basic control right here. We can adjust the brightness, full brightness right there. You can have it from white, cold color, to a more warm color right there. And you can switch to the color spectrum. Look at that. Yellow, red, purple, blue, turquoise, green. saturation, so much stuff to choose from. And let's see what the pre-built music is. Okay. And then it plays to the music. It only plays to their pre-built music as opposed to something that you can download. Okay, next up we have voice. I believe this sensitivity of voice is just detects from the phone's microphone. Hello, hello. Mic check, mic check. I'm not sure how well that works, but you have various styles. Okay, and then next is scene. Basically, it's similar to what you have in the manual control. You can set it to auto, fade, flashing, and more. Candle, resemble candle scene. Oh, I like that. Ambulance. Oh, these are pre-built ones. And do it yourself, your own mix. In addition to that, you have this infrared remote right here, manual control, power off, and I think the next up it's brightness level, and then you have microphone. I think mic check. Mic check. Hello? Mic check? I'm not sure how well that works. And then I think that's just a different setting. I am totally in love with these LED strip lights. Super easy to install, and I just found out there are built-in turn corners, which I didn't use. But it's there, available for you to use it. And with the manual control or the app control, super easy to use. You can have any configuration that you want, playing music, preset controls, whatnot. And it's perfect time to have these for the holidays. Be the envy of your neighbors and friends and get your party popping.